Craving the secret behind 2024's most radical weight loss strategy? Stay tuned for an exclusive peek into the killer weight loss plan. Tip 1. 6-10 seconds, flashy animation of a scale and healthy foods. Tip 2. 11-15 seconds, visuals of someone meditating. Tip 2. Mind over matter. Incorporate mindfulness and stress management for emotional eating control. Tip 3. 16-20 seconds, clip of a high-intensity interval training, HIIT session. Tip 3. Maximize fat burn with short, intense HIIT workouts. More sweat, less time. Tip 4. 21-25 seconds, animation showing the importance of hydration. Tip 4. Hydrate to dominate. Drinking water boosts metabolism and aids in weight loss. Tip 5. 26-30 seconds, display of a sleep app and a peaceful bedroom. Tip 5. Sleep is the secret weapon. 7-9 hours to recharge your body and curb cravings. Tip 6. 31-35 seconds, graphics of various proteins and legumes. Tip 6. Power up with proteins. Keep hunger at bay and muscles in play. Tip 7. 36-40 seconds, image of a person logging their food intake on a mobile app. Tip 7. Track your progress. What gets measured gets managed. Tip 8. 41-45 seconds, visuals of social support groups, both online and offline. Tip 8. Community is key. Share goals and seek support for motivation boosts. Tip 9. 46-50 seconds, clip of smart wearable technology. Tip 9. Tech it up. Use smart wearables to monitor your fitness and health metrics. Tip 10. 51-55 seconds, inspiring montage of people achieving their weight loss goals. Tip 10. Set realistic goals and celebrate every win. Remember, it's a journey. Tips 56-60 seconds. Dive deeper into the killer weight loss plan. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exclusive insights. Transform your life in 2024 with us.